It looks so glam. It's just so, it's like a night out look. Like, I would go out with this. Like, we're probably gonna, me and my mom's probably gonna do errands. I'm going outside with this look. Like, this look, it's just so creative to me and just so like, I love it. I love it. I just love it. Somebody that I've been subscribed to for a long time, for a hot minute, she messed with blues. I do talk about her later. She messed with like blues and silvers, and I just was so inspired by the color blue that I just wanted to do a makeup tutorial. And my background's blue, so like, why not do a makeup tutorial? And yeah, I just got this look and it looks so good. I messed with blue and mascara. I messed with blues, and to be honest, it was pretty easy. Like, it wasn't hard or anything. Like, it was very easy to blend the shadows that I used. It was just like, it was like I messed with like warm tones, like easy colors. So, and I only used like 2-3 colors in the crease and 1 color on the lid. Like, it's super easy to do, and it's super colorful and super fun. Summer, hi. How you doing? If you could do like yellow, like that will look so cute. Instead of blue, do yellow. I'm gonna do that when I have my own free time. That's what I'm gonna be doing, because that, ooh, in my head that looks so gorgeous. Like, summertime, yellow, glam, yumminess. Oh yeah. So if you want to learn how to get this night out, summer, colorful, fun makeup look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so before we get into this video, I do want to say real quick that I'm sorry that last video, oh my god, like, I am so ashamed. I just had to get it up. I mean, I was not going to put it up, but last video, it was orange. Like, my face was orange. It's because I had it on the highest setting, the iOS setting, and so I think, well, I don't think, I know that that's why I was like looking orange. I had it at like, I didn't have it at the highest, but I had it at one of the highest ones, 800, and that was the iOS, and I usually have it at 400, and yeah. Every single time when I do a video and when I switch a background, it has to be at a different iOS setting. So this one is, when I have this one, the iOS is 400, and that looks awesome, that looks good. And then when I have like the coral one, it's like, I think 800, and that looks good also, but it doesn't look good with this background. It makes me look orange. So I'm sorry that last video I looked so orange. I just like, I'm so like, ugh, with myself. Like, I was like so mad. I was like, seriously, why am I orange? And then I was like, oh right, my iOS was at 800. What was I thinking? So I'm gonna stop talking, because if I keep talking, it's gonna be like a 19-minute video, and we don't want that. So we're just gonna get into this makeup look. So I do have an idea, like I said in the beginning of this video. I do have an idea what I want to do. I'm not inspired, but inspired at the same time. I'm not doing like a inspired look by Jamie. I don't know if it's focused like all the way, but this is Jamie, and she did this look recently on her YouTube channel, and I don't know if it's focusing on me. Let me hit the focus button. Come on, camera, work with me here. It's just a screenshot from like her Instagram stories, and she did like this blue smoky look, and she was like slaying me, and just like, I loved it. Like, it looked so good. I really wanted to do some kind of blue look. Since I have this blue background, I mean, why not? Let's go ahead and do one. I'm not going to do like the same exact look like she did. I'm going to do something different. She did like a silver lid color, but I want to do like blue and blue and blue. Like, that's what I want to do. I'm just inspired by the color that she used, and yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so what I want to go in with first is just like a simple matte brown, like a warm color, just so everything will blend nicely when we get to the blue. So I'm just going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette first, and I'm just going to grab these two colors up here. I'm just going to grab those two and just like blend it into my crease, like no biggie. But I'm not going to go really high to my brow bone. I'm just going to keep it really into the crease because I don't want this look to be very high. And if it does, we could always fix it with like white eyeshadow to put in the brow bone just to fix it up and shape it a little bit, but I'm gonna try not to like bring it up there so we don't have to do that white shadow thing. So yeah. Now we're just gonna go into blues, and maybe we will mess with like these blues. I have no idea. Maybe we'll mess with this one, put it on the lid. Who knows? But I do want to go in with this palette right here. Since it has a blue in it, I do want to use it. This is the Urban Decay Alice in Wonderland palette. Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. And I want to grab this color right here, which is called Bandersnatch. It's just a matte blue. It's so gorgeous. We're just gonna go in with that blue color a little bit at a time because we don't want to like start with a lot and then we can't blend it out because it's just so much, and then it goes all the way out here and it's just like a hot mess. We don't want to start over, you know what I mean? We don't want to start over, so we're gonna take a little bit at a time. And I don't know if I said this, but we're going to just keep it on the outer part of the eye. We are going to put it some in the crease, but we're not going to put like the color all over the lid. It's fine if you do that. We are going to be putting something on top of it, but so if you make a mess with this blue, it's fine. Alright, low key though, I'm already loving how it looks. Like, I thought that I would be like, in the middle of the process of doing this look, but like, I actually kind of digging it. So I'm just gonna keep packing on that color. I was gonna grab a darker blue, but I don't have any other darker blue than this one. I have lighter blues, but they're like shimmery and like they won't make this darker. So I'm just gonna keep packing on that blue that we just took earlier, and yeah, just hope it will get darker and darker and darker. Now there's two blues that I'm kind of living for, and I picked one after swatching them, and I'm going to take the one in the Jaclyn Hill palette. There is one in the Urban Decay Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. It's kind of similar to this one, but it's not as reflective as this one, so I'm going to take this one. I'm just going to apply that right on the lid. I'm not going to conceal it, so it's like a half cut crease. I'm just going to apply it like it is a half cut crease. I don't feel like using concealer right now, so I'm just going to apply it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Guys, this is so gorgeous. I don't know how it's showing like on camera, but IRL, it's literally so gorgeous and so like, I don't know, I never done like a look like this before, like all blue eyeshadow. It looks so pretty. Like, I need to do more looks like this. Like, I need to do like a purple one. Like, that's like, I keep thinking about purple makeup looks. I don't know why, but I keep talking about them and I just want to do one, but I don't have purple eyeshadows, which sucks. I always take this. You guys know, if you've been on my channel for like a hot minute, I use this all the time for my brow bone and like my highlighter. Like, I use it as like a eyeshadow because that's what it's for. But as a highlighter, this is so bomb. I mean, all of them are so pigmented that you could probably use all of them as a like a highlighter. This is the L'Oreal Paris 24-Hour Infallible Eyeshadow in Ice Latte, and I have two others, and they're all in different colors, and they're just like, they're so gorgeous and pigmented. Like, Yes, please. So I'm going to take that color. Like, it's just so blinding. Oh my god, it's just so gorgeous. So I'm just gonna put some mascara on, and then my lashes, I don't know. I'll let you guys know when I get back to you guys, or I'll just like have it somewhere on the screen when I put them on. So I'm gonna do that stuff, and then I'm gonna do my full face off camera, and then we will move on to the bottom lash line and the lippy. So yeah. Alright, so I did my full face like I said I was going to do, and my lashes. So we're just going to hop into the lower lash line. I think we're basically going to be doing the same exact thing that we did to the eyes. Take the matte colors. So the first colors that we're going to be taking today is these two colors, which is the first colors that we took in the crease. And I'm just going to take those two colors and just put it on my lower lash line. I'm just going to be taking the same color that we took, Bandersnatch, and I'm going to be taking that blue on a small, like, definer brush so we can, like, get it real close to the lashes. And, yeah, so it's, like, smoky down there. So I'm going to use this mascara. I love this mascara. Whenever I, like, have a chance to use it, I take that chance because, like, this is just so gorgeous. And I just love it so much, so I'm going to use it today. This is a L'Oreal mascara, and it's a blue one, and I'm just going to put that on my lower lashes after I put some powder down there. We're also going to take the same stuff that we put in our brow bone, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner real quick. Alright guys, so I put my hair up in a little pony. I probably will take it down later because, like, I literally don't know what to do with my hair, but I hate having it up, like all of my hair up, and I didn't feel like putting like half of it up and half of it down because I was just too lazy, so I just put it in a hair tie, in a scrunchie, and I probably, most likely, will put it out at the end of this video. But this lippy right here is actually 4 products. 4. So I used this Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in Spice. And then I used this liquid lipstick. I don't even know like what color it is. It doesn't even have like a color at all. Like it has no color. I don't even know what the brand is. Like the brand's not even on it. But I got it at Five Below, and it's a really good lipstick. And I have another one, and they're really good. That like they stay on most of the day, but they don't stay on all day. Yeah, so I applied that, and then I felt like it was too pinky for me, and I didn't notice it being pinky on my hand, but when it was on my lips, it looked like really pinky. So I just added this in the middle of it just to give it a little bit more warmth to it. This is the Revlon matte, I think. Yeah, matte lipstick in Nude Attitude. And I just added this in the middle as like an ombre effect, and then I just added this Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss in Peach Please. I just added this a little bit in the center, but I really like how this turned out. I mean, like, this look looks so bomb. But yeah, so I really like how this look turned out, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below what you guys want to see next, like another colorful look or something more warm or cool tone. Just comment down below and I'll get a video out for you guys. And yeah, and if you're new, you should hit that subscribe button to be a part of the Butcher fam. And yeah, also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to do stuff to the video, like and comment and all that jazz. But I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!